yo haciendo casting y casting y casting y nomás no pego. No, pero bueno, me llama la atención la radio. Maravilloso poder estar conectado con la gente y a través de radio. Es impresionante. Y viendo, y tengo la gran fortuna, micrófonos con grandes de la radio. ¿Qué te gracias? Agradezco mucho a Gilberto Gómez, el director comercial de Grupo Horizon, por habernos venido a platicar de la gran aceptación que han tenido todos ustedes quienes anteriormente, cuando tengamos un acumulado, pues ya podemos hacer uso de esa gasolina gratis. Mándame el corte comercial y te agradezco mucho por visitarnos.
Kilo. Además, filete de tilapia empanizado al ser a solo 179 pesos el kilo. City Club, lo hacemos por ti. Vigencia del 2 a 3.
We're here at Busos. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. We're gonna eat, and then after that, we're gonna go on our ride to Tecolote Beach, where Toto, I'm having a difficulty. Toto Tours Beach Day Club is. They have like a DJ and like food and stuff over there too, and it's a beach. And it's pretty. So we're gonna eat here real quick and then head down there.
Every time we want it,
This is our view. This is my view. Gigi in the ocean.
oh, a BYD. Isn't that the? Wait, is this the one you're talking about? The BYD, the brand car?
I think I'm gonna get this one.
¿Qué se vende más? ¿La
Arrachera,
chilaquiles o la
chilaquiles.
machaca chilaquiles?
So we're waiting now for our food. I got chilaquiles with arrachera. She got
arrachera tacos with a mimosa.
Okay.
Chilaquiles with a pina colada. You know the vibe.
I just got a vitamin C drink because I don't know.
Yeah, she's.
I'm not ready to drink. I brought the cantarito.
Okay.
But it's in my thing. It's probably gonna be hot by then, but we'll just drink it later.
Drink
Look at this view.
Ice, no problem.
But
Look at my view.
To the beach. Got your two best views right here.
And the cars.
And the
It's a vibe. It's giving Miami.
Yeah, a little bit, but better.
Better. Than
Less
Miami.
humid.
Less humid.
Kinda. It's still humid, but like.
But I'm not like sweating. The water's
It's
prettier.
more chill vibe. That's the thing. It's
Yeah.
more chill, but it feels really
relaxing.
Very relaxing.
We're the only people here wearing bikinis, by the way, on the beach. I think because this is more like a local place. It's not like a touristy like destination.
Bubble's more the tourist.
We're ruining it for everybody, I guess.
I only saw one club in the whole place.
When was the last time you were here?
3 or 2 years.
Oh wow. And everything is prettier now?
Honestly, it's the same.
Oh, okay. So it's always been pretty.
It's super chill, I think.
I love it. This is a good.
You're getting interviewed.
It's not like
Okay, hi.
Super chill, super cute.
It's super chill, it's super cute, but like it's not party vibes.
Gigi
I feel
looks
like
like
that's where we're supposed
you look like you're like looking for your sugar daddy.
Okay.
Isn't that what she's giving today?
Are we interviewing you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I would be a good sugar baby
Because
because I like money. I'm just kidding.
she likes money, of course. She'll take it and she'll be very appreciative about it. She'll give you lots of love, lots of attention.
But no sugar. I want
Unless you're hot. Unless he's hot.
Unless he's hot.
Yeah. And then what about you, Brandy? What are you looking for in a man?
What am I looking for?
Yeah.
Man that would just mean what he say, you know, prove his actions with his words.
Oh, she's looking for a
Really
real
for
man.
No cartel guys.
None of that. We don't need none of those
Yeah,
guys.
not
But
even that.
she's also giving that, like she wants like a man with multiple businesses,
Multiple business.
but without the bad part of it.
Yeah, legal. No baggage.
maybe a little back.
$20. I have $20. I don't know that.
I think I got my outfit from Amazon like a long time ago, but I'm finally wearing it today. Yeah.
Le doy a 25 pesos, le doy que con un pan o con un café.
Whose coffees are these?
Con Marley.
Here's our little coffee. Oh, look at how cute our drinks. Mimosa.
Piña colada?
Oh wow, that is so
Of
cute.
course, you know. The cocktail's free.
I'm a juice girl. I drink a lot of juices.
Sorry.
That's part of your package deal.
So it's like a little package. It's orange juice and then fresa something and then the coffee. Them getting their moment.
Cheers.
Cheers. It is so cute. This is so good.
Damn!
Whoa.
I don't know what you got, but I want one next time.
Thank you.
That like a bougie restaurant, right?
Basically, yeah.
Does it have a, it's cafe?
It's espresso.
Wow.
It's Sorono.
Uh-huh. What else does it have?
It has
Here are the arrachera chilaquiles, my egg. I like it extra cooked. My beans, because I always want my beans. We got here tacos. What is that? Chicharron?
I don't even know.
Looks good though, yeah.
Potatoes.
No.
Machaca.
Machaca.
And quesadillas.
I need more lime.
It's going on.
Wow.
We made it onto the party bus. Hey, party bus.
We're all we're like,
I didn't get pictures because we couldn't find a very pretty bar for this fit. So luckily when we get over there, we'll find something. It's a 45-minute drive. There's this homeless guy. It looked like he had blood on his hands too, huh?
Yeah, they look weird. He was kind of creepy weird.
We were walking.
Yeah, good taste though.
Very good taste. We were walking and he passed me. He looked at me and she passed and he said, "How do you do it?"
damn!
God damn! Look at that fit. Well, she was wearing her bikini. Yeah, and the heels. Oh, and she was wearing heels. The shakiest video ever.
That's a goddamn one.
Mira, no sé si te comenté ya mi compañero el panzón, pero si gusta.
All right, we got some mango margaritas. Look at this beautiful ocean view. Oh, we got a bucket of beer. Hey, we still need to take your picture.
I know, I got too sweaty.
Yeah, okay,
I'll
so,
go back.
okay. It was hot. I also got very sweaty. Look at my sweat dripped down and it ended up creasing like lip liner.
There we go. My camera was pretty.
Need to cool down.
You know what?
Homegirl's getting a mean massage right now. Oi! Oi! She said she's in love. Damn. Damn, we're jealous. We're so jealous. Who's a whore?
It's me. It's a fucking whore.
Fucking whore. And tell him, what did you say?
He's just fucking like annoying. Like,
sister
fuck
on
you. You're gonna
everywhere.
die a whore. If you're a whore, you've been a whore all your life. And
She's talking about a bee, by the way.
Not you.
it's
Talking about the bee.
fuck you.
You're the area right here.
Fuck you, enjoying my drink, bro. Like, fuck you.
Pass his hands.
Fucking whore. Oh my god, dude.
I'm getting B-roll right now.
Yeah.
We're going to the beach. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're going to the beach. We're gonna get photos. We only have like 30 minutes
Oh my
left.
God, they should be paying
We
for this
booked
ass.
our boat for tomorrow. That's gonna be on a
Like,
separate
this
video.
is too much ass for these citizens.
No, they can't handle that.
For these
This
citizens.
is too much ass for this civilians of Mexico.
You know what? I'm just gonna say two things.
What?
Ah, no. That's all. That expired like 10 minutes ago.
Alright, we're gonna go to the beach. Go to the beach.
Yeah, babe, that expired.
Find a beach spot. Our pictures. It's very bright right now. Hopefully they come out good. Everybody's missing. They all went to the restaurant. Oh, found Gigi. There she is. Gigi's on her way. The party bus is gonna be here. It's literally right here. Oh my God, he's literally looking at us right now. He's right there.
Are you sure?
We gotta go. Yeah, it's the red one.
That doesn't look like the same one. Yeah. It is?
No, it's probably not. No, that's a van.
That's so creepy.
Ours is also red. But anyway, so we're supposed to leave right now.
Yeah.
After that, we're gonna head to the house and get ready. So we'll see you at the house.
Yes. See you at the house.
All right, I am ready. Took a shower, did my makeup again, fixed my hair. It's my outfit for the bars. Super cute. I'm wearing a bikini under just because it's kind of see-through. It's crochet. We're gonna take some shots. Just did some groceries. Can't talk right now. I'm gonna wash the glasses for the shots because we gotta go. It's already 9 o'clock. We haven't eaten dinner, nothing. Bars are already opening, so that's pretty much what the vibe's gonna be. Go, 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 rush, rush, rush. With some ice, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it for everybody in the club. It's gonna be a fat shot. I think there's 5. Yeah, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. All right, now I have to see if they all level out. Nice. I did good.
I'ma get some more power. The bitch got more body. Yeah.
I'm dipping it in my.
She a bad bitch, how you stop still, but she caught my attention. Clean that hood, but he ain't never there. Bitch, I keep my gun. I ain't never scared. Why you claim that hood, but he ain't never there. Bitch, I keep my gun. No, I ain't never scared. Hey, who else gon' fuck you? I do. Who else come through the cake shit I come through? Who else do the same type shit that I do? Who else? I don't know this. What about you? Who else gon' fuck you? I do.
No, it's not. I think it's so funny. I like being tickled.
You think it's so funny?
Sí, nomás
Why do
quería
guys
saber
think it's
porque
funny to
para
tickle
si
girls?
batallamos otra vez para
I
regresar,
don't know.
I gave her a
para
raspberry.
llamarte o agarrar tu número.
What is that?
The violence.
Which song?
Hey.
Hey. All right, we just got here. We're gonna try to eat. It's already almost 10. We got a little distracted with all the alcohol, as you saw. So
Carlos, you're tired.
here's a little outfit check. There's a little paella right here. Oh, what?
Oh,
You heard it?
That is sick.
Another one. I got arrachera with shrimp, tortillas.
Right here. Gracias.
She got the shrimp pasta. here in person. I saw it on social media. It's so cool in here. It's really giving like Cabo, like really fun vibes. I'm gonna show you what